Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, what I want to do is take my GoPro over to the Cargo Connect table and give you guys a view that we normally don't see because normally we're seeing it from above. Today I want to let you see what it looks like when you're actually on the table level. So today it's a really cool view or perspective that we normally don't get. So if you want to see all those views, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so again, the GoPro action camera here, what I'm going to do is put it in various places around the board, even on the mission models, to get you an idea of what it looks like when your robot does these missions, and to give you a look like if you're the model or if you're just looking at it from a different perspective. So let's go to the table. So this is the view my GoPro is going to get for the cargo plane. That's the view my GoPro is going to get for the unused capacity. Okay, this is what it's going to look like to be on the containers when I go to the switch engine. Okay, how about when the bridge gets knocked over? Okay, how about when the platooning truck gets attached to the bridge? Okay, how about the train here? Let's see how that looks when it gets connected over here. Okay guys, so I'm sorry if I left off your favorite mission. There was just not enough time to do everything. I just thought I would give you guys some of my favorite missions and what it looks like. So thank you to the GoPro of giving us that view, and it's just another cool thing that you guys can just look at the Cargo Connect table, and hopefully your teams are either doing really well, did really well, or going to do very well. And Mr. Hino gives you your best, or my best wishes to you guys as you guys move forward through this year, and I'm hoping you guys are having fun, okay? All right, guys, so today, I hope you'll enjoy the different views that we can get on the Cargo Connect table. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I am out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay, guys? Take care.